Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you how to download the latest Windows 10 ISO file or image file for free, and this is from official Microsoft website. To start with, you have to open your internet browser. It can be a Firefox or Google Chrome, or it can be a Microsoft product, which is Microsoft Edge. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use Google Chrome. Then in the search button, just search for Windows 10. The first website to open will be www.microsoft.com, which titled Download Windows 10 Disk Image or ISO file, and this is what we need to download. Just click that link. The link will direct you to this website where you can download Windows 10, and the first option will be Windows 10 May 2020 updates. The second one will be create Windows 10 installation media. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let us create Windows 10 installation media. So you need to click this blue button. Then you will see the downloading in progress. It is only 18.5 megabytes. When the download is completed, you can just click and open, or you can just double click it. Let us minimize our internet browser. Then you will see the pop-up menu of Windows 10, and the installation media will start the process of downloading our Windows 10 ISO file. When it is ready, then you will see the license terms. You can read all these terms if you want to accept, but most of us, we are not reading this. We just accept. Then it will load, getting a few things ready again before you start to download the application. Once it is ready, then you will get this question, what do you want to do? Then you can select the first option if you want to upgrade from Windows 7 or from Windows 8. I have attached the video link under this video so that if you want to upgrade, you can just follow those steps. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we just want to create an installation media. So we need to download the ISO files, but also we can select this option if you want to create the USB flash drive, which will be bootable for your installation from the USB flash drive. But for the purpose of ISO file, then let us click next. At this page, you can choose the language, edition of the system, and the architecture. But by default, it will be faint, and you have to uncheck this button here so that you can allow this option to be clickable. Now you can change the language. Then for architecture, you can choose either Windows 10 32 bits or 64 bits, or you can download both of them. But for me, I already have this 64 bits. You can see it in my desktop. This is 64 bits. So for this tutorial, I'll just choose 32 bits. After you have already completed your setup, you can click next. Then here you can choose which media you want to direct this file to. You can choose either to download those, you can choose either to download that file to USB drive, or you can just choose to download to your PC. And if you choose to download this file to your flash disk, you must make sure the flash disk is at least 8 GB or above. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we need to download the ISO file to our computer. Now we click this and select next. Here we go, we can choose the location where we want to send our file, and let me choose in these pictures, then click save. Now Windows Creation Media is getting things ready to start the downloading process, and here you can see the progress is at 0%. After 15 to 30 minutes the download will be ready, but this may depend on the speed of your internet, because this file is about 2.8 GB, so you need to be patient if your internet is slow. The downloading process is almost completed, only 3% to the final. You can be free to keep using your PC while downloading is on progress. Now it is 99%. Then the process of downloading is completed. Now it is just verifying your download file. The creating Windows Media is now finalizing our progress to download the image. Okay, now you have completed to download your Windows 10 ISO image or ISO file, and you can burn this file to your DVD or CD for the installation purpose. You can direct open the DVD burner, which is available in Windows 10. Also, you can go direct to the location of the file where we have directed it. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like my video, don't forget to click that thumb up button. See you next time. Bye.